how to fix if camera is missing from the home screen or apps screen in your Samsung device. To fix if the camera is missing from the home or the app screen in your Samsung device, it could just have been that you might have accidentally hidden the camera app. So in my case it's visible, but I'll show you how you can restore yours. Long press on an empty space on your home screen and simply go towards the settings app tab. From settings, scroll down and select hide apps on home and app screens. And from here at the top under the hidden apps, you could have selected camera app, so you might have to remove it from there and then tap the done button from the bottom. So you could have selected camera app from here, which you can unhide it. Second thing, if this is not helping you, is go to settings on your Samsung and go to the option called general management. From general management, scroll down to reset and tap on reset all settings. We're not going to factory reset our device, but we'll just reset all the settings to see if that helps you solve the problem. This way you'll be able to fix if camera is missing from the home screen or app screen in your Samsung device. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.